You are welcome to One-to-One Teaching and Learning Limited. I am Teacher Emmanuel. Let's delve into the red pandas, nature's cute climbers. In this adventure, we will discover the delightful world of these charming creatures, uncovering their habits, homes, and funny quirks about them. Let's start with the basics. Red pandas, often called fire foxes, aren't closely related to giant pandas. They are their own special kind of panda called Aeolus fugen. And yes, they are definitely vertebrates, meaning they have backbones like us. According to their feeding mode, red pandas have a pretty varied diet, like munching on bamboo, fruits, berries, and sometimes even tiny insects. They eat in a cute way, sitting back on their hind legs and holding their food with their front paws like tiny dinner guests. These little adventurers are excellent climbers. They use their sharp claws and strong back legs to scamper up trees and swing from branch to branch. On the ground, they have a funny wordle that's both cute and efficient. Red pandas usually have their babies in the springtime after a few months of waiting. The babies are born blind and helpless, lying on their mom for everything until they are big enough to explore on their own. While red pandas are usually solo travelers, they can be social butterflies in captivity. They might make friends with their caretakers and even play games, but out in the wild, they prefer their own company, shying away from humans. Red pandas live in their cool forests of the eastern Himalayas, which include places like Nepal, India, and China. They like to hang out in bamboo forests at high altitudes where the air is crisp and the views are stunning. As we wrap up our adventure with these adorable red pandas, let's remember to keep them safe and their homes protected. With their irresistible charm and lovable antics, red pandas are truly a gift from nature. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Keep exploring and cherishing the wonders of the nature. Until we meet again, bye-bye.